What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Bronco. Today we're going to be replacing the tailgate emblem. So I found something custom on Etsy, and you guys tell me what you think. Peep the Crocs, how you doing? So here it is. It's a custom gloss black and matte black Sasquatch emblem that will completely replace the Ford factory one. Thought it was something really cool, something unique. I do love that it's Sasquatch, and it doesn't say it anywhere really aside from the little fender badges, but you can't even see it. So I figured this would be something neat that would replace it and make it look kind of unique. So let's get to the process of how we're going to take this off. All right, so what I found to be the easiest way to get this off is to use 2 credit cards out of your wallet, and you'll be able to pinch the back clip off, and I will show you how. So there is some 3M tape, but I was lucky enough that mine was not stuck. You can see here I already pulled it out. Oh, there you go, just snapped it back in. So I was lucky enough, there is no 3M tape is not adhered, as you can see, so it has a little bit of wiggle. Once you determine that, if that is not the case on yours, you're gonna wanna use a heat gun, heat it up a little bit. Once you get the tape loose like so, you see it has some wiggle, you're gonna wanna get 2 credit cards. You're gonna come in here, just be careful, go right down on that white clip, you're gonna look for it, and you're gonna wanna pinch them together. And pull back, just like so. Now we just need to do it on the other side. It's a little more difficult on this side because you have the tire in your way, but let's see what we're working with here. And it's off. So what I would recommend is put some painter's tape over this, just in case it does go flying like it did. It doesn't look like it got scratched or anything, but in case it does and you want to save it, put some painter's tape over it. So this way, if it falls, it doesn't get scratched. But you can see it's as easy as that. We only have a little piece of tape here, which I will rub off and use some Goo Gone if needed. Then we're going to clean this up and we're going to stick the new emblem on. All right, guys, so she's on, all done, looks killer, and it matches the whole vibe of the Bronco. So just a quick note, if you do order the same one, which I will put a link in the description of where I got it off of Etsy, the adhesive that's on the back of this emblem wasn't all that great, and it wasn't sticking on there very good. So I added some 3M adhesion promoter on the back, and then you can see now it's really on there, where before I was actually kind of able to slide it off. So I did not want that to happen, or when I gave it a car wash, I didn't want it to fall off or have any issues. So just add some adhesion promoter and you will not have an issue. Like you can see, it's on there now, nice and solid. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you like it. Drop your likes, comments, and questions below. And be sure to stay tuned for more 24 Bronco content.